Hello everyone, welcome to Triple E134. This is another video for another logic family. We call this direct coupled transistor logic or DCTL. Tinawag siyang direct coupled class because this is actually just RTL na kinuha mo lang yung resistor sa base ng transistor. Okay? Wala lang, kinuha lang. So, ano yung reason bakit kinuha? Number one, mas maliit yung number ng components, mas economical. Kasi pag gumawa ka ng IC class, binabayaran mo kasi yung area. Kasi mahal yung paggawa, pag-fabricate ng microchip. So, the bigger the area you have in your design, the higher you pay for it. So, if you can save one resistor, and that occupies an area. Example class, sa isang inverter, dalawa yung resistors mo. So, pag mawala ng isa ka resistor, so in every logic gate, you save one resistor. And for a processor, for example, that has thousands of logic gates, you can also save thousands of number of resistors. So, mas maliit yung babayaran mo. So, that's economical. And also, you can have less power consumption because the interesting thing is, for DCTL, logic 1 is 0.8. Hindi na siya 3.3 volts. Bakit? Kasi gusto mo lang naman i-on si transistor and walang resistor sa base na magko-cause ng voltage drop. So 0.8 is actually okay as logic 1. And because of this, okay, there's an example here. Example this one. Si 0.8 na logic 1, ay ito na lang class. Si 0.8 na logic 1 kasi walang resistor dito. So it means VB is also 0.8. And in the V2I characteristics of a transistor, if this is your VTH 0.7, then what is 0.8? Ang laki na ng kuryente class. So that is causing this transistor to be overdriven. Okay? But that's okay. It's just a matter of um ano, a matter of knowledge lang. I mean, at least we know that it is overdriven. And it has a smaller noise margin. We will discuss that later. And then it's prone to a phenomenon called current hugging. Okay? Um, but before we continue class, let me just reiterate that in the RTL, in the previous video, one of the problems we had is the very small amount of fan out. So that's why they decided to make another, another logic family as an alternative. Pero as we can see, in every logic family class, merong problema. Okay, so this is how you implement a NOR gate, a NAND gate, and an inverter. So you don't see RBs. And then class, I have to make uh, a change, no? If you remember in one of my videos, I set VCE SAT as zero point 0.2. That is correct. But I have to change my VBE because VBE as zero point 0.7 is for amplifiers class. I forgot. For digital applications, you only need zero point 0.5 volts to turn on, okay, your transistor. So, makasinabot we will make an agreement that for logic gates, our VBE can turn on to 0.5 volts. Ano nangyari? Ba't hindi 0.7, sir? Actually, si 0.7, when you do your labs, hindi naman talaga 0.7. It's actually 0.6, 0.5. So, dito class, because we're dealing with rail-to-rail values, logic 1, logic 0, we need to be more accurate para uh, para ano ba? Para uh, mag-work pa din siya, especially for example, DCTL. Pag gamitin natin si 0.7 which is not really accurate and then 0.8, is the actual implementation of the supply. We may say, hala, hindi siya nag-work, sir. Pero nag-work pala siya. Hindi lang natin ginamit yung accurate niya na VBE. And those people who designed this, who decided to have VCC equal to zero point 0.8, know that the VBE actual value is zero point 0.5. That's why we need to use that. Okay, sige. Let us let's analyze this. Okay. Let's say 1 0 0 1 0. Okay. So this is zero point 0.8. This is overdriven. So this is zero point 0.2. And then this is ground. So this is off. So your node here will be zero point 0.2. Okay, so NOR gate. So 1 0 0. What about this one? This is zero point 0.8. So this is on, but this is grounded. So this is off. So this is VCC, which is zero point 0.8. So 0 1 1. And this is ground, this is off, so this is VCC equal to zero point 0.8. So this is an inverter. Okay? What if ganito? Let's delete those. Okay? Okay. Um, right, so this is grounded, so this is off. VBE is not forward biased. And this is hanging. If this is hanging class, then there is no current here. There is no current here. This is therefore what? What is this ano? Zero point 0.8 ito. So VBE is 0, yeah. And this one so, or we don't know. Not really zero point 0.8 kasi meron palang kuryenteng dadaan dito. So this is zero point 0.5 class ha. This is zero point 0.5. And then um okay. Here this is on. So this is zero point 0.2. And then this is say zero point 0.5. So this is just zero point 0.3. So may problema tayo, class. Okay? Um, the problem with what's the problem? Uh, okay, ano nga ulit yung yung um target output level dito? This is NAND gate, I think. Yes, this is NAND gate. So this is 1, this is 0. So this should be equal to 1. Okay, hala, zero point 0.5, sir. Logic 1. Well, we need to set our levels. This is zero point 0.8. This is ground. Okay. Now imagine class, at the input side, pwede ba tayong maglagay ng 0 volts? Yes. Putulin natin si input, ilagay natin sa ground. So yes, this is possible. What if zero point 0.1? Yes, possible. Zero pa rin yan. Kailan siya hindi magzi-zero? Um, well, pag zero point 0.5 na siya, where's zero point 0.5? Here. Pag zero point 0.5 na siya, that's the boundary na magto-turn on. Okay? So, sa input side, hindi ako pwedeng magsabi na I can have zero point 0.4, I can have 0.3, 0.45. No, why? Kasi boundary na yan sa zero point 0.5. So sa input side, my okay, and let me show back. Okay, wait. Let me let me show keep. Okay. Let me open again the previous slide. Okay. You're not saying anything. Wait lang. Okay. Ay, meron pala ako nakita. Um, we need to remember this. Open this video. These levels. Okay. Your VOL, your VIL, your VIH, tsaka si VOH. And then we can get the noise margins. Okay? Sige, balik tayo. Um, right. Ano to? Ba't naka-current hugging na to? Okay? Sige. Okay, we have VOL, VIL, VOL, VIH, VOH. Okay, remember that the inputs are always somewhere at the middle and then the output yung sa extremes. Okay, so si VIL class, actually ganito. Okay, and I want you to listen carefully. Theoretically, 0.5 boundary. So if you're designing for VIL, you don't really choose 0.5. Okay, and at the input side, this is 1, this is 0. So you need to set a margin. Let's say, ano bang margin natin? Let's say, my margin is, let's say, 0.4. That's my VIL. Okay? Or, no, 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 no. 0.45 na lang. 0.45. Kasi mamaya, meron niyang, ano eh. Sige. My VIL is 0.5. Ano ibig sabihin yan, sir? Well, nag-set lang ako na my VIL should not go beyond 0.45 because now I'm starting to go to 0.5, the boundary. Hindi naman pwedeng mag-operate sa boundary class kasi maliit lang na shift dyan, maging 1 na yan, imbis na 0. So my VIL is this. And I set this, right? And what is my VIH? Para lang same din lang ng margin, let's say 0.55. This is now my forbidden region. And you know this, you computer engineers, mga bawal. Okay? Right. Okay. Madali lang. VIH, VIL, you set this value. As long as it makes sense. I mean, VIH 0.55, hindi naman talaga yan off eh. On talaga yan. Si 0.45, hindi din yan on. Off talaga yan. Kasi 0.5 si boundary. Now, for the outputs class, ito yung realistic. Ano ibig sabihin ng realistic, sir? Do you think si VOL that can reach 0.45? No. Okay. For example, class, um, dalawang transistor. On siya lahat. 0.8, 0.8. Because 0.8, overdriven, saturated, so 0.2. Ito din 0.2. So if this is your output, hindi yan lalagpas ng 0.4. So your VOL, your maximum, right? Maximum ha? Maximum is 0.4 only. Right? Um, so meaning sir, pwede din maliit sa 0.4? Yes. In fact, pwede siya ganito. 'Di ba? Sa inverter na case. But this is 1, this is 0.2 volts. This is the output. So, pwede siya 0.2. Saan ba yung 0.2 dito? 0.2. This is the minimum, right? The minimum, the max. Ah, wala naman sigurong logic gate na tatlo na. But what is VOL? It is the minimum class. It is the minimum. So, ito yung VOL natin, hindi yung 0.4. The minimum um, output value na pwede natin sabihin na 0.2. It's minimum class because musugot mong sa dili, whether you like it or not, your output voltage will never reach 0 volts because you have VCE. So this is now your noise margin for logic 0. And okay, what about VOH? Saan si VOH? Do you think it will reach 0.8 volts? No. Okay. Interestingly, the worst case is, okay, this is actually the worst case. Um, gusto natin si 1 kasi 'di ba 1 0 AND gate so 1. Pero it's driving this transistor na mag-o-on na siya at 0.5. So ano yung mangyayari? So 0.5 lang 'to. It's it's already on here. 'Di ba? So um 'di ba sabi hindi siya pwede hindi pwede sa forbidden region, hindi pwede 0.5 kasi forbidden region. Well, that's one of the disadvantage of DCTL kasi wala tayong resistor dito. We are forced to operate or to have this input at 0.5. Okay, so it appears na VOH, the VOH can, okay, or yeah, VOH can operate here. Pwede. But at the input, hindi pwede. Hindi pwede sa input. So there's no intersection. And besides, VOH is the maximum, not the minimum. Okay? So while 0.5 is, yeah, it's okay. Pero hindi pwede sa VIH. Ano naman yung maximum niya? If, what's the maximum? Maximum class is pag ganito. Okay, so hindi pwede ito class. So the maximum is, let's say this is 0.5, right? Kasi hindi siya pwedeng 0.5 eh. It should be higher than that. So this VBE here will also be higher than 0.3. So it can now turn this on. So 0.5. Then you have 0.2. So 0.7. Can this go higher than 0.7? Wala naman sigurong case na tatlo. What if ground ni? Okay? So if that is the case, then um, uh, that is that will go back to 0.5. Kasi walang kuryenteng dadaloy dito na lahat. Eh, hindi pwede sa 0.5. So, that's not applicable. So, balik tayo sa 0.8, 0.2, plus 0.5, 0.7. Ibig sabihin, your VOH maximum is 0.7. Can it go to 0.8? Hindi. Kasi wala namang case class na 0.8 o ibig sabihin zero current. Kasi pag zero current yan, bakit zero current? Eh, meron namang path dito. Meron ding path dito. So either of the two, sure ako na may magpo-flow diyan. So hindi siya pwedeng walang kuryente. So 0.7 is possible. Again, for the case where um this is on and then yeah, okay. So 0.7. So this is now your noise margin at logic 1. Okay? Output. Now, we see a lot of disadvantages here, class. One disadvantage is yung kanina. What if, sir, Simplihan na lang natin. Dalawang buffer. Next slide ko. Okay. What if buffer? Um, Eto. Okay. Uh, Ground, right? So this is off. Now, this becomes 0.5. Okay? Sir, wala yan sa ano eh, sa logic 1 na level eh. Well, that's a disadvantage because theoretically pwede. But the thing is um this paano ba? This has to be higher para mag ah, mag 0.2 talaga siya. Okay? And then I think we can make an example here. Um I will not delve in that uh ano exploration sa ba. But yeah, that's a disadvantage. But if you are designing this, I would rather not design this. What I will do is, I don't know, maybe I will have to lower my voltage levels. Okay, can I lower my voltage levels? Yes, kasi I will just set my VIL to be um low. I can set my VIL to be lower, right? And in fact, my VIL in reality, okay, is really equal to VOL, except for the case na pinutol ko talaga si input tapos nilagyan ko ng VIL. So what I can do, class, if I really want to make this work, then do not, okay, if there's a case na pinutol mo to kasi pinaka-input siya, then you have to set this, or you have to connect this to a very low input. What I'm trying to say is this, class. What if pinaka-input to, and then you have the freedom to connect this to the DC supply? Wag mo na lang i, ano yun? Don't connect this to a high voltage equal to 0.45. I can, however, set or reset my voltage levels to be like this. I know that my VOL um, can never go down to zero point 0.2, right? It can never go down to zero point 0.2. So I can make my VIL na lang, this is zero point 0.2, to be, for example, zero point 0.3. I can do that. But now what if, zero point 0.4 na lang, zero point 0.4. Kasi pwede kasing dalawa eh, zero point 0.2. And then, this is logic 0. And then, my logic 1 is zero point 0.5. Okay? And then, going to zero point 0.7. I can have this. And this is my logic 1. So, 0.2 volts noise margin, zero point 0.2 volts noise margin. So I think if I decide my system to be operating in these um, values, then I think it's okay. Okay, so my forbidden region will be zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.4. Again, a disadvantage because now you have a very small margin of error. Okay, that's the thing about DCTL. Yeah, you don't remove your resistors. Okay, but diniscuss to, sir. Wala, para lang maka-analyze tayo. Okay, what is current hugging? The tendency, class, is this. Okay, going back, ground, so patay, patay. Okay, and then 0.5. Okay, I assume that now I'm using these levels to be my 0, to be my 1, just to make sure this is working. Okay, so 0.5, yes, this is, kasi 0.5 eh. So on na siya, kasi totoo naman talaga na on to. So on. Here, this is really on. and then this is 0.2 volts, and then this is 0.5. Okay, so your VBE will just be equal to 0.3. Here, 0.5. So ano yung mangyayari, class? Current hugging is this. The one with the lower VBE voltage turns on. Okay. Question, class. Between the two, ano yung may lower voltage? Wala. Same sila. Same sila na 0.5 ang on voltage nila. Now, transistor B is experiencing 0.5 VBE while transistor A is experiencing 0.3. Where do you think the current will flow? Dito. So, gihag niya, tanan current, gihag ba? Hag ha, HO. Why? What happens? Um, the problem really is because of the absence of resistor. Kasi kung meron lang tong resistor, then we can use 3.3 here, and probably this is 3, and this is what? 3 point, 0.2, okay, so this is 3, okay, 3, this is 0.7. Kasi kaya ni 3 si 0.7 at saka 0.2. So if that's the case, then this voltage here is what? Um, 0.9. So alam na natin yung voltage drop dito, which is 2.1. Right? So 2.1 plus 0.7 plus 0.2 is 3. Dito, this is 3 volts. This is, sorry, 0.5 lang di. 0.5 plus 0.2, 0.7, 0.7, so 2.3. So dito, 0.5, alam natin that this is 2.5. So the difference in voltages is on the voltage drop, on the resistor drop, on the drop of the voltage drop at the resistor. So, sure ta nga 0.5 silang dalawa. Eh kaso wala siyang resistor. Hoy, eraser. Okay, wala siyang resistor. So, wala to lahat. Wala, wala, wala. So, ano nangyayari? So, lahat ng kuryente dadaloy dito. So, now, this is no longer on. So, you're expecting na logic 1 dito, logic 1 dito, logic 1 dito. So, logic 1 din dito. This is, okay, logic 1 kasi 0.8 talaga yan. Okay, mali ito, class. In your design, you don't allow this. So, this is 0.7. Or, yeah. So, tama ba? Ay, tama lang di ay. Tama lang, class. You have the freedom. Tama lang. Okay, so, but the thing is, wala. This is no longer driven. Okay, I think we're done here. That's current hugging ha. You read the definition. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng kuryente dito instead na dito. So it will cause overheating for this one. Um, Let me clarify bakit pwede si 0.8. O, balik tayo dito. This is VOH, VIH, VIL, VOL. And note, class, that those values are ranges. So VIH is the maximum na, the minimum na pwedeng i-input mo na high siya. So minimum. So meaning it's actually a range. Pwede siya lahat dito. That's VIH. So VIH can be 0.5, it can be 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Pwede siya 0.8. That's why this is okay. VIL is the maximum na pwede mo siyang i-input na ano pa rin, uh, logic 0 pa rin. So pwede si VIL na, ano ba yung sinet natin? 0.4? Actually, pwede siya 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. Pwede 0, pwede ground. Kaya nga, ginround natin eh. That's input because we have the freedom. And that is only possible for these nodes here. Yung may direct connection talaga. Sa mga nodes na yung input is connected to the output, hindi yan actually VIH, VIL. Those are VOH, VOL. Example, this one. This is VO, this is VI. So your VI is actually connected to VO. So for VOL, ito naman yung range niya, 'di ba? I'm sorry, mali. Mali, 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 mali. Hoy, mali na. Sorry. What am I doing? Okay. Okay. Now sa VO, okay. Sorry class ha. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Okay, I think you get the point. Okay. Now sa VOL, ito yung minimum or si VOL, 'di ba? It's the okay, si VOL, it's the maximum. Is it maximum or minimum? Minimum, minimum. Minimum, yes, minimum na um output. Okay, so minimum. So ito yung minimum. Puk. Actually si VOL pwede naman yan pwede naman yan lalagpas eh. Pero VOH na siya pag ganun, 'di ba? So kaya meron siyang intersections dito. Si VOH naman is the maximum na pwede siyang high. Okay. Pwede siyang bababa pero magiging VOL na siya. So they have an intersection here. But my point is at the input side, it can actually reach down to zero and it can actually reach high to VCC. So yeah. Okay. Now I think we can end this video. Thank you so much for listening.